Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Sleepy Holographic. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these bat gothic sconces for my home. Okay, I am starting out with these wooden sconces which already have a gothic arch. If you can't find these, I also have a video coming soon with some similar gothic arches that are at Dollar Tree. I spray painted them with primer and then also with just black spray paint, and then I let them dry for 24 hours. These bat door knockers I got from Ross into sconces. We have these, and then we have the sconces which have now been spray painted black. This is what the sconces look like in black, in my opinion much better. We are going to attach the bat door knocker to the bottom of them by drilling 4 holes and putting screws through. So here's the door knocker. As you can see, it has 4 holes. We're going to attach right here to the bottom of the sconce, drill the holes, screw it through, and it's going to be bat sconces. Okay, so I am going to use these to attach the bats to the sconces. Okay, so here we have our final sconce with its gothic arch. The bat can hang from it, and then I have added this fake candle to complete the look. As you can see, when they are hanging, they are just absolutely beautiful gothic sconces. I was really happy to find a use for the metal door knockers from Ross, which I love that they were bats. I love that they were hanging from a ring, but I don't have 6 front doors and I wanted to find a better use for them. So I love that as sconces, they just kind of show off the bat, but also they're going to be my year-round sconces, and I absolutely love them. Thank you so much for watching my DIY Gothic Sconces video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see future DIY videos as well as decorating videos and just overall Halloween content. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching my DIY Gothic Sconces video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see future DIY videos as well as decorating videos and just overall Halloween content. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.